Good morning. Sorry, good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon. I'm just going to lean you against Denise's rose plant. There you go. It's Tuesday. Not long been up. I had such a restless night last night, so I was tossing and turning all night. I'm going to meet up with Georgia for a coffee, and going to nip to the vets to get Molly's meds, and I need to go to Home Bargains and get some Epsom salts to put in the bath. Yes, but it is absolutely pouring down here. Absolutely pouring down. Yes. I've told Georgia to bring her brolly. But not much going on. I just thought I'd do, a quick video. We went out for a meal last night. It was lovely. Me and Denise went to a local pub. It's really dark, isn't it? And went to a pub called the Jingling Gate, which is up the road. And it's where our old neighbour Peter, that's where he goes every Monday night, but he was there a bit after we were there. And we had a lovely meal, a lovely sharing starter, and camembert cheese and stuff like that. I'll put a few photos down below. And we both had a mixed grill each, and after that we couldn't eat anymore. Absolutely stuffed. But it was really nice. We tried to get out at least once a month together, have some time, just me and Denise out for a meal. And yes, proving nice. I need to go and get ready. I need to do my hair later as well. My hair's getting a bit too long. So I'll probably do that later on after I get back, after I've been soaked. Yeah, if I remember, I've got something to show you when I get back. Yeah, it's a little device I've bought. So I'll keep that for a bit later on. A little bit of a surprise. It's a man thing, but well, that sounds so sexist, doesn't it? It's mainly aimed at men, but I'm sure women could use it for whatever reason, so I'll show you later on. Stay tuned. I'll pop it in after we've been out. Hey, Costa Coffee. Hello. Come for a coffee with Georgia. Yes, she's still here. Long time no see. And it is still absolutely pouring down outside. It's pouring down, and we're at Lidl. Yeah, here we go. See what's in the centre aisle. It's still raining. Well, we've just been to Lidl. I just wanted to have a look, but I had to pick up some of the donuts that they've got on the Lidl club card thing offer. They'll be nice. What's it? Hazelnut donuts or something like that. Here's Georgia. Are you getting soaked, my darling? Yeah, so we're just now, all we need to do is nip to B&M, which we're going to go to the other one, even though there's one just here. Go to one that's closer to Georgia's.
Yeah.
Oh, make your mind up. She keeps changing her mind. Yeah, so we're going to go there because I need me Epsom salts. So, here we go. B&M. Let's get in where it's dry. Well, I didn't get what I wanted at B&M, so I've had to come to Home Bargains. Consider it's just around the corner. It's about 80 pence cheaper as well per bag of Epsom salt. So yeah, it's a good saving. But I think we're both a bit fed up of getting soaked now. So you want to go home? Yeah. eventually home. Yay! Oh, now I can get settled. Tidy up a little bit. I may have a bath. A nice soak in the bath. Until Denise gets home, and she finishes in about an hour's time. Oh, it's nice to be in. It's not actually that cold outside. The rain is cold. The rain's quite cold. But the actual weather itself's not too bad, apart from the rain. That's it. Hey, right, let's see what we've got. Like I say, well, a couple of bags of Epsom salts to put in the bath when I soak my back. Well, this, it's just a cheap perfume. Although Denise can maybe use it for work or whatever. It's actually quite nice, quite a woody smell. That was only about £5 something, but you know, hopefully she likes and it doesn't bring out in a rash. If so, it's, you know, it's something just to throw in a bag if she needs to be. Kit Kat Chunkies, so, hazelnut donuts, which were on offer on the little card, French loaf, toothpaste, a nail file for Denise. I'm sure she needs one. I'm sure she said she needed one. And I had to buy one, a gadget, but like it might help with Denise. A grip's not what it used to be, but we'll see. You know, it's handy to have in the drawer if need be. And that's it. That's pretty much all we've got. Sit down here. Stand you up against the plant again. And a can of Monster White. Energy Ultra. Got that. Little catalogue for this week. Ooh. When's that come out? I'm actually after one of them. Gadgets. What date's that for? Thursday the 11th. Right. I'll have to get Denise to nip into Lidl for me when I'm at work. All I can smell is perfume, because Georgia was trying on all these different perfumes at Lidl. So which one do you like? Which one do you like? All these different ones. And now I've got the smell stuck up my nose. As soon as I was getting out of the car, I was just getting like this overpowering sort of perfume smell. I can still smell it now. You know, none of it was sprayed on me. This just must be stuck up my nostrils. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Not much going on. I'll show you this, what Denise got the other day. Bit unusual for her to get one of these, but we won't use it for its purpose. But this lovely little milk jug. It's a lovely blue colour. The shade of blue is really nice. She actually got it for nothing from her work, so that's good. But she was thinking about maybe putting some like little flowers in or something, like a little spray. Maybe, I don't know, dried flowers. I don't know what'll go in it. But it's quite nice, because we probably wouldn't use it for milk. You know, we make a cup of tea, we put a bit of milk in, that's it. So, yeah, it's really. I don't know if it. Yeah, you can sort of tell it looks a bit more royal blue on the camera than what it actually is. It's not as bright as what it is on the camera. It's slightly duller. It's really nice. Nice design and everything. So she's quite pleased with that. She was spending on, what was it, Temu the other day. She went down a Temu rabbit hole for some reason. And she was buying little things for like cleaning the house, getting rid of the black spots on the silicone sealant around the bath and things like that, which actually did look like it worked. This stuff looks like it's in a bit of a toothpaste tube kind of thing. Oh, there's Molly. And you put it on and actually leave it, I think, about 10 hours, and it does actually work. It comes off. And she got, I can't really show you now, it's in the garden. She's got this little thing. It's like a watering can, solar powered watering can on a stand, and you hang it up, and inside's lit up. It's like got like holes all over it, like a design, and the inside lights up, but on the outside you've got like these fiber optics that come down, so it looks like trickling water. And considering, I think she said it was only but £6.99, it lasts really well. They had a full day's charge the other day. I got up about 5:30 in the morning to go to the loo, and it was still, the lights were still going then. So really good. She's really pleased with that. Just a little thing for the garden, you know. Does look nice. I'll give it that. It does look nice. So Molly, what we're going to do, it's not tea time yet, so anything you want to do? Anywhere you want to go? No. So I'll get tidied up here, get things put away, and maybe run a bath. Well, the bath's running. Got me Epsom salts in, so I'm going to have a nice soak in it. Get my music on. Well, actually, I need to charge my phone. Get the music on, have a nice soak, and chill out until Denise is home. Just found out she was popping to her mother's after work, so it gives me a bit longer. And she was saying the guy she works with was nearly taken out on A1, which is the major road that goes past the, I was going to say motorway, but it's not classed motorway. The main drag that goes past here, because of the weather, the surface water. So whether somebody was speeding, you know, not taking the time in the bad weather conditions, I don't know, but so she's taking her time on the way home and gonna nip in to see her mother. So I've got to try and have a sort of relatively decent sleep tonight, because I've got to get up in the morning, stay up for a few hours, then go to bed again in the afternoon, ready for the night shift. So yeah, fingers crossed. That program we were watching on TV, it's called The Passenger. It's the new one. Can't remember what it's on. Can't remember. It's ITVX again. Can't remember. But it's from the makers of Happy Valley and things like that. One moment. Yeah, that's my timer set for the bath. Yeah, I can't get away with it. I don't know. It's meant to be a sort of like light-hearted comedy drama. I've not seen any funny bits in it yet. Yeah, plenty of drama, but there's like a weird twist to it which I just can't get my head around. Don't know if it's meant to be like supernatural kind of thing or what. I really don't know. But I think we gave up on that. Denise was saying, if you're not happy, don't watch it. You know, if you're not enjoying it, which I'm not. I'm really struggling to get my head around it. So, hey, right. Let's get myself in the bath. Well, I'm out of the bath. Forgot to do my hair. It was too late by the time I realised, so I'll have to get done another day. And Denise likes that perfume, and she's just checked it out. Apparently it's Lidl's copy of Chloe. So my friend at work uses Chloe. So just going to put it on tomorrow and see if she notices the difference. But she likes it. It's not the one I thought it was. Because the way they had them displayed is like really difficult to tell which one's which. So I've ended up buying the wrong one, but she still likes it, so that's fine. And just treat myself to a Kopparberg. Nice cool cider out the fridge, lovely. Hey. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else going on. We're going to be having tea soon. We're having a lasagna with some French bread that I bought. Then that's about it. It's eventually stopped raining. Typical. It rained all day. It comes to night time and it stops. Before I go, question of the day. What is your all-time favourite film and TV show? Stick your answers below. Yeah, my all-time film I would probably have to say is The Commitments or The Breakfast Club. Probably The Commitments. And favourite TV show, which I've mentioned quite a few times on here, is Patriot, which was on 2015, Amazon Prime. Only 2 seasons of it, but absolutely love it. That's probably my favourite TV show and film. So stick your answers down below. Be interesting to see and see what your answers are. Might be stuff I've never heard of, especially if you're in the USA or Australia or whatever. But yeah, don't forget to like the video. It all helps the channel out. Like the video, share it on your social media, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. And if you're not already, please subscribe and help the channel out. So, thank you very much, everybody. Take care. I'll catch you very soon, probably after my night shifts. So bye for now.